tablet from realware. So to deal with the problems, look at it again and notice that I have the red light, which means that the device is not fully charged, even though it was connected to the power supply for about more than 24 hours. There is some problem with overloading the power supply. This is why you want to have an external power bank and hope that maybe that way you can revive it. This device is quite old. Hold down the button like I do now and count to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And then release it and pray. And sometimes after doing it a few times, and then also press the activate button. This is the largest button, and press it 3 times quickly. 1, 2, 3. And you should hear a sound saying that it is activating. And when you don't hear a sound, that means that the device didn't turn on yet. So it seems like the device is kind of dead. After a few trials of that nature, you may want to try to connect it to the power supply again and alternate between the power supply and the external power bank, and hope that that may again jog the device's power system and it will start working all of a sudden. So I'm taking out the external power bank, and you see that it is 100% charged. Sometimes just take it out and reinsert it and make sure that it is fully engaged, because sometimes it would just not be fully engaged. And you can see that it says 36 hours and 9 minutes, which means that it can draw power for 33 hours and 24 minutes, and it is 100% charged. Then look at it again and see, maybe now it will start. Maybe I didn't fully socket it. Put it back on and it looks like as dead as before. Then I'm going to press the button again and hope that it will start now, which it doesn't seem like it is going to start. So I depress it and I keep it depressed, and I'm going to count to 50 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And it doesn't seem to work. So at that point, what I can do is connect it to the wall power again and hope that that may start working. Again, you can see that it lights up red, which means that it is not fully charged. There is an issue with the charger and the battery that is dying. They're connected again. You can see the red cable, which is the cable to the wall power. Put it back on and pray again and hope that this time it will work. And press again the start button and keep it depressed for a while. But it doesn't seem to be working. So another thing that you can do is try to take out the battery. That is like rebooting the device. So I'm going to lower it down again and try to open the battery, take the battery out and reinsert it. Taking the battery out, and I dropped it. This is the battery now. I took it out, let it rest for 20 seconds as I'm picking up the battery cover that fell.
It's 12 o'clock already. You want me to help you find it?
No, start the conversation.
I started already. I sent you
see that I'm struggling. Fine, I heard it. You did it. Fine,
I
thank you.
sent you the link.
Fine, thank you. So now I took the battery out and I reinserted it, and now I'm going to try to lock it up and hope that maybe it will start working all of a sudden. After the device has been rebooted, I'm going to connect it to the external power bank. See, it is turning red, which means the battery doesn't hold charge. That is the problem. Even though the external battery is fully charged, it also cannot take the power from the external battery as of now. And I hope that after I rebooted it, maybe it will start working all of a sudden. I lower the viewer and look into it, and it looks as if it is completely dead. So I may have to deal with it later. I'm going to wear it anyways just for a demo. Another thing that we can do is I can try to run the application. Maybe that will engage it and it will start working all of a sudden. But since I'm running low on time, I'd rather not do it at this point and just leave it for decoration. So at this point I want to minimize everything that I don't need to keep in the front, which are all these recording devices. And see whether I can join the Zoom session. I want to make sure that I save my latest and greatest folder here. Because I'm going to log into my email account and see if I can join the Zoom session in progress. Then I want to go to my email. And here I have an invitation to Zoom. And I click on it and hope that it will start working. Okay, now I saw a flash of the battery here, and I got the reader to start working also. It has to gain enough power to even boot up. And as I'm waiting for the Zoom to work, I'm going to refresh the Pixar. So this will be version B. B space and the time is 11:55. 55. My camera. I need to aim downward so it shoots the screen. And then instruct it. Record video. And now it is working. Okay, so now, not to interfere, I'm going to save it. View additional details. This was 31 steps. As I start anew, add a comment. I'd like to use another browser. How can I reduce the echo?
Speaker.
Unmute it?
No, mute it. If you want it. No, mute it. You can hear me with your speaker.
Let me reduce the speaker, the volume. This is better?
Yes, you can put your speaker on. You can put your mic on, but just that's better. It doesn't have as much feedback.
19.
Yeah.
That's good enough?
Yeah. You can turn on your speaker.
The speaker is on.
No, you can turn on your mic.
The mic? Okay, the mic is on now. Okay, now I want to use another browser.
Let me just go to YouTube. Okay, we have 25 minutes. Okay, so you show me what you need.
So I want to go to another browser.
Something fell.
Can you repeat what I said?
You want to go to another browser
Why?
because you don't want. You want to use another browser
Why?
because then you can do another Zoom meeting.
No, because I don't. When I log into multiple accounts, it demands often that I will unlog into the different accounts. You understand?
What are you trying to log? What are you trying to use in the other browser?
I want to start with Microsoft.
Microsoft what? Edge.
Apparently, it is using now Zoom, so I want to use another browser that doesn't interfere with Zoom.
So maybe use Opera.
So I'll try to use Opera. Yes. Use Opera, and then try to log into Gmail account. Gmail. And specifically, I want to log into Solve for Expert. So I mark it in my notepad, edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then I'm going to open it and to see which account am I using now here. WizmoBiz. I want to log into another account. Can you repeat it, please?
You're logging into another Gmail.
Add another account, and then it tells me that I'm already signed in to a maximum. This is why I want to go back out and log back in and sign out from all accounts, you understand? This is why I wanted to use a different browser.
You
So when I ram pam pam me no garbage. So when I sign out of all accounts, I don't disconnect anything else that I've done, like Zoom or anything else. So I sign out from all accounts on this browser, and then I'll try to sign in again, use another account, and I'll paste the new account name, which is sold for expert. Then I click next. Then I need to enter the password. Then I want to say not now. I'm signed in. Can you repeat it, please?
You're signing in and you've got a Google security alert.
Right, and I want to mark all the emails and delete them.
You want to mark all the emails.
So now I deleted all the emails. I want to go to the phone and dial out to call Annie.ai.
You want to go to the Google Voice,
So I click on Google Voice,
not the phone.
which will enable me to make an outbound call.
Do you want to share your screen so people can see it or no?
Yes.
So if you Zoom, you have to share your screen.
Let me first finish this so that you also understand what I'm doing.
Yeah, but
I'm pam pam, nothing else.
you should share your screen.
Don't worry about it. Now I'm dialing out.
But I don't. But Zoom doesn't see anything.
Fine, you see. Do you understand it? Can you help me repeat what I'm saying, please?
I don't see
For the
Annie.
third time?
I don't see Annie.
Just look with your eyes.
I don't see Annie. I don't see Annie.
Never mind. Talk so much trash, I cannot concentrate at all.
You need to share your screen.
So now I want to refresh the SAR, so it wouldn't be too long. The previous file name, this will be version C. Can you repeat it, please?
Version C.
Jesus, help me, please. And the current time is 12:03 p.m. 12:03 p.m. And I had another note called called 640 call Sam. So now I got a complete file name, and I want to have a prefix of the path of psar.exe. Control V and backslash. Repeat it. Copy to the clipboard buffer and save. Then review additional details and scroll up to see that that was step number 61. As I restart and add a comment, paste the comment in, hit enter, and add the comment to my notes. Edit, paste, make it wider, and file, save. Make a little space here at the top. And then I want to share my screen Now I know that without sharing my screen it works fine. So the next thing that I want to do is share my screen. So I have to go to the Zoom app and make it full screen so it displays everything. And now I want to go to share screen and share the entire screen, which is the default, so I click share. Can you see it?
See what?
My screen? Jesus, help me.
No.
Help me, Randall.
In Zoom?
Yes, it takes some time.
Okay, I see it.
See it? Good. So what is my next step, tell me?
Let me record to the cloud. The session.
This meeting is being recorded. Got it?
I'm going to record to YouTube. Live on YouTube.
Oh, you are not streaming yet? So can you stream it, please?
Yeah, I asked this. That's what I said.
And tell me out loud what you are doing.
I click stream and I'm waiting for Zoom to connect to YouTube. It's preparing to live stream and it's setting up my meeting to YouTube Live. And now it's done recreating. And it's, okay, it's streaming.
Okay, let's keep it for a while. Because I'm going to go to the next step and upload the Google Voice folder to the cloud. Can you repeat it, please?
Hold on, in the notes for YouTube. Doing the notes for YouTube first. Okay. And now I'm making the MSN recording. Having some issues. Please plug this in.
Saifu, you don't have to do it at the beginning.
I told you when you said you were busy. Don't bother.
So do it yourself. You don't have to plug a cable.
No, because there's so many cables running around. I don't know which one.
Nonsense and nonsense.
You see that it takes time. You said don't bother.
Okay, fine.
I asked you to do it.
Stop it, please. Ceasefire on garbage. Anything that is irrelevant, ceasefire. Garbage later.
See how many minutes it takes you? You said so.
Don't tell me nonsense. called Salt for Expert to indicate that I made an outbound call. You understand? Can you repeat what I said? Can you hear me?
Yes.
I press the plus new and then folder upload and then paste the folder name on the folder colon prompt. And then I place the cursor on the backslash and trim or delete everything but the path of the folder on my subfolder documents and hit enter. Then Google replies by the folder name and I click the upload button. Can you repeat it, please?
Click the upload button.
And then it asks me upload 4 files to this site. And I click on the upload button again.
You click on the upload button again.
And then it says it responds by the dialog box, upload options. Replace existing folder or keep both folders. What should I do? And why?
I'm setting up my computer right now because I lost connection.
Okay, so you set it up and I'm going to continue.
Continue. We have 5 more minutes.
Fine. Tell me when you finish with the setup.
Okay.
Are you finished?
No.
Please tell me when you will
I
be
told you I
finished.
will. I'll show it to you before
Fine.
you go on. Do you have the Annie on?
Yes.
You wanted to show? So I'll go on your computer.
Just come back already. Don't tell me stories. Let me work, please. the account that I want to log into. Rand. So I copy to the clipboard buffer, file save my notes, and now I want to delete it from my email. Move this browser to the side and go to another browser. And then I want to switch from this account to another account. Are you with me?
Yes.
Did you finish your
Doesn't
computer?
matter. Yeah, the computer's working.
So that is what I want to show.
What do you want to show? I don't know what you want
I'm
to show.
telling you, please don't terrorize me.
No, you asked me. This is what I
I
want to show.
click
don't know.
another account, use another account.
I don't see what you're doing.
I'm sharing my screen, and you can look at my screen. I paste the new account to which I want to log in or sign in. Can you please repeat it?
Hold on. I'm looking at your Zoom. Your screen. So what? It's not clear to me what you want him to do. Where's call Annie here?
Don't worry about it. Just repeat what I said. Can you do that much?
No.
Now I click not now. I don't want to complete a few suggestions from Google right now. So I click not now. Then I want to verify that which account am I logged in to make sure that Google didn't change the account on me, which is Rand. I copy to the clipboard buffer, and then I edit, paste it into my notes. Now I'm going to go to callannie.ai and try to dial it.
Okay.
Did you understand that?
You're trying to dial call Annie.
That's right. So to dial call Annie, I have to go to the waffle, the Google apps, and click on it, and scroll down to the voice, to the Google voice.
Okay.
Repeat it, please.
You're doing Google Voice.
Then I click on the Google Voice icon with the telephone picture on it. And I have already the number listed here, 640-225-5726, which is callannie.ai.
Which you called in July 15th.
That's right. So I click on the phone to verify that it works.
Hello, this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
So now I want to put a note in my notepad. First of all, I want to prefix it by open parentheses before the area code. And then 3 characters to the right, 1, 2, 3, close parentheses. And then I take the message from Google that says that the number will expire in 30 days. Repeat it.
The number will expire in 30 days.
Edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, and append it and override the gmail.com. So I paste it on top. Then I change it and I insert will not expire.
You're inserting
The word not in space.
Okay, I need to get online. So what would you like me to do?
So get online.
No, but do you want me to keep everything running? If I keep everything running,
Yes.
it will shut down. Now, how can you show them anything? Do you want to be?
I would log in too.
I think you you should show them on my computer.
Okay, drama cop later.
No, I have to log in.
So I can log in from here too.
Well, that's what I asked you. Do you want to log in first?
Yes.
Okay, so log in.
It's not time yet, but
What do you
let
mean
me
it's
log in anyways.
You have to log in to make sure you find it. What do you mean it's not?
Fine,
time?
fine. Please stop it.
It takes longer than you think.
There as soon as you come in. Okay.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Dr. S. Rush.
Are you in my email?
Yes.
Okay.
So I go to inbox to retrieve his message. Right? Chat. What is it called? Chat. In chatik. What is it called? Chatik? Chat. It's chatik media. So I click on chatikmedia.com where it says, thanks for reaching out, Don and your heart team. Please schedule a free strategy at what should I go? Where should I go next?
I'm looking. Hold on. Here, it's Mukthon, September 16th. Type in MUGUN for the search. MUG
MUGUN.
Enter.
Enter.
Did you get something?
No message matched.
Let me move.
MUGUN.
Yeah, with no space. Are you in the right one? You're
Invitation.
with no space.
Notification.
Here, notification. This one, unknown sender.
Invitation or notification?
An invitation. Okay,
And-
that's the link. So you want me to do it?
No, tell me what to do.
I
You
can't
stay
sit-
there and do it there.
I can't do it there.
Don't worry about it. I'll do it without you then.
Let me see what you need to do. Here. You have to go into here. This isn't in your calendar. Join us here. You have to click here.
So click there already. No, do
What are
it.
you doing there? I thought you wanted to be in the meeting.
You do in the meeting now.
Camera is starting. What is this? Not now. Okay, so it says the camera doesn't work, so I don't have to show my
This
face.
camera doesn't work.
Our camera doesn't work.
You switch cameras.
I didn't do anything.
Move away.
I didn't do anything.
Move
Camera
away.
failed. Don't say I switched cameras.
No, I said you should switch cameras.
You didn't say that. Just don't show your face, and that's it.
Fine.
You understand? What do you have to show your face?
Fine. You go ahead then. You talk to him without the face.
That's the one to show my face. Okay? Don't you think, or you want me to try to make the camera work?
No, go ahead without the face. Doesn't matter. Let's get the show on the road.
Okay, I have this. It's good enough. Ah,
Fine. Start talking to him.
he's not here yet.
Fine. So here, log in from here. Maybe the camera will appear here. Can you come here, please?
You want me to get out, exit this?
Don't exit, don't do anything. Just leave it alone.
Okay, I'll leave it. I'll wait for him to come. It's now 12:30. called callannie.ai? Okay, can you go to that site? It's called callannie.ai. Can you, I can't hear you so well. Can you speak up? Yeah, the project I want you to create for the university
To clone it.
to clone it something like callannie.ai, and that people from the university can discuss and ask questions, and Call Annie can be a part of a instructor's lecture. What? I can't understand you. Can you repeat it slowly? And maybe put your mouth to the mic, because I have a hard time understanding what you just said.
Can you hear me now?
Much better.
Yeah, I was connected to the mic. Okay. So, have you already picked the videos on your YouTube? So, for example, we already have some videos on the voice AI chatbots. For example, when someone calls the specific phone number, then the chatbot will simply answer based on whatever the business information.
Yes, I saw that. But this is a bit different.
Can you explain what is actually different? Because I don't have any knowledge about call and something like that. So if you share more details on what is
So Call Annie, I can have a conversation with Call Annie, and how do I want to do something with Call Annie that I would ask her more generic questions than what you showed on the website.
okay. So that's also actually possible using our platform as well. For example, it simply works based on whatever prompts you give over there. So if you want to just answer some sort of general questions, those kind of things, that's possible. So I'm just trying to understand how
Yeah.
all Annie is actually different from whatever the features we have on our platform.
What? Can you repeat that?
Can you just come here and let me talk to you?
Yeah, let me have my tech person speak to you. His name is Harvey. What is your name? Mugatan.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Hi Mugatan, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Going today.
Okay, so
How's it different from his website where he showed the voice chat in his website? That's what he'd like to hear.
okay, it is different in many ways. Let me demonstrate it to you, okay? First of all, you can call it. You can use a regular phone number to call it. And then when you call it, it triggers the AI.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So explain to me, what did I just tell you? What did you understand? Magaten.
Do you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
So what did you understand?
So basically, you are saying like when someone calls the particular number, it simply answer and talk to customers, right?
That's right. So I'm going to show it to you now, okay?
He doesn't see it. He doesn't see it.
Doesn't matter. You just repeat what I said without an accent. She will repeat what I say without an accent so you can understand it better. So I'm going to go to my computer and have my computer call the number. She wrote you in the notes the number is a vanity phone number. Do you understand?
explain to him what a vanity phone number is.
Do you understand what a vanity phone number is?
No, actually.
No.
It's a phone number that spells a word. In this case, it spells the word call Sam. The area code she wrote to you in the notes is 640, and the remainder of the phone number spells the words call Sam. Sam like Samuel or Samantha.
S-A-M.
Did you understand it?
Yeah, got it.
So tell me, what does the telephone number spell in English?
I don't get it actually.
So let me tell you in slow-mo. Or why don't you repeat to him, please?
So basically, you would call on the dial pad. Why don't you call on the dial pad now? 640.
So I'm clicking on my phone dialer to dial out the number. The area code is 640.
640.
What is the area code I just told you?
640.
640, yeah.
Okay, and the remainder spells the word call, C-A-L-L, which translates to the number 2255.
From the
What is
keypad,
the first word on this vanity phone number?
it's call. C for the 2 for the keypad. If you look at your keypad,
On the dialer pad, you'll see that the number, the letter C translates to the digit 2. Do you understand?
because ABC is attributed to the number digit 2.
So the first letter in the word call is C. Do you understand? What is the first letter in the word call?
See, I'll take the call of questions.
Be quiet, please.
We only have 20 minutes.
What is the first letter in the word call?
C.
C.
C. Yeah.
And what is the second letter in the word call?
A.
Don't tell him. I want to see if he understands anything.
I think if you better share more details in like instead of teaching me about
I'm not teaching you anything. I send it to you in the email. Read the email.
So basically, the thing is, if you're planning to build a particular customized solution only for your business or university, then we can actually discuss more.
Yes, that's what we want.
The
We
thing is
want to
that
do it for
whatever
the university.
Yeah, hold on. The thing is that whatever the automations or chatbot we build is actually powered on our platform, which already exists. So if you're actually looking for any specific customized solutions, then unfortunately we won't be able to help you. So that's what I want to convey you. The thing is that
So
It
what is that?
there's nothing customized here. In the presentation that your employee made on YouTube, he said that you get a number from a phone number and give from Helio or some other company and give you the phone number. So I'm demonstrating to you that the phone number, for example, is 600 call Sam. And now I'm going to dial. Listen carefully. You hear the dial tone?
Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
Did you hear her? She told
yeah, I can hear it, but
she told us that on this number I can subscribe by clicking a button or downloading the app. Did you understand that?
yeah.
Okay. So now I will go to the site and I will type the name of the app. It is called courtroom.ai. And you can do the same thing. I type C-A-L-L, call Annie, capital, and it is in your notes. Annie is spelled A-N-N-I-E, period, A-I. Did you understand?
And enter.
And enter. And she appears as number 1 on the Google search engine. So I click on it, and then she comes And I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to allow the mic so she can hear me.
Hello.
Hi, how are you, Annie?
Hey there. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Just enjoying a little bit of sunshine and thinking about my next yoga class. How about you? How's everything going with your projects?
It's going fine. I wanted to tell you about my project, which involves making a call to an AI chatbot. Did you understand that, Annie?
Absolutely. You're working on building an AI chatbot that can handle voice calls and text interactions, right? It sounds like you're exploring different tools and methods to make it all happen. Is there a specific part you're excited or curious about?
Yes, and I'm calling to a company to chat at chaticmedia.com
To help you.
to help me with this job.
Any specifications you
Got
need
it.
to tell her?
So, you're looking for some support from Media.com for your project. That sounds like a great resource. What kind of help are you hoping to get from them?
They claim that they can create a voice phone that activates a chatbot just like callannie.ai and a phone number that will dial callannie.ai, for example, like 640 call Sam.
Got it. So you're envisioning a phone that acts like a chatbot, similar to Calendly. AI with a specific phone number like 640 to dial into it. Cold Slam sounds like a fun name. Is that what you're thinking for the chatbot? Or is
Yes,
it a catchy phrase for
Maybe
something
just
else?
stop now and talk to her.
that is exactly what I'm thinking for the chatbot, and I'm trying to illustrate it to the representative of the company. As I explained to him, it is based on what Chatic published on YouTube and demonstrated how they can use their platform to create a phone, to connect the phone number to an AI chatbot.
That's a fantastic idea. Using a platform to connect a phone number to an AI chatbot can really streamline communication. It sounds like you're trying to show them how effective this could be by referencing the chatty demonstration on YouTube. What specific features are you hoping to highlight to the representative? Maybe the ease of use or how it can enhance customer interactions.
Yes, this is the most important feature. We have a call center of alumni and students that contribute money to the university, and so volunteers in the call center calling out the alumni and asking them to donate money to the university. And many times the alumni are not available, so they leave a message. And then what we want to do is have a chatbot, so when the alumni is called back, the caller may be busy with other phone calls, so until he can get to the caller, he will talk to the chatbot, to the AI chatbot, and take the information. And eventually, while this is going on, one person in the call center will get to him and will start to talk to him person to person.
That's a brilliant approach. Having an AI chatbot handle initial conversations while the call center staff are busy is a great way to ensure that alumni still feel valued and engaged. It can gather information and even answer common questions, which saves time for your volunteers. Plus, it keeps the alumni in the loop and makes the process smoother. Have you thought about what kind of information the chatbot should collect or how it will transition the call to a live person?
Yes, there is one question that we want to ask the alumni. Can you contribute to the University of Miami at least $10? Or if he contributed already in the past, whatever he contributed in the past,
You match it.
we want to match it and ask him to do it again.
She's stuck.
What do you think?
So talk to Mohammed. Did you get the idea of how it works?
Yeah, basically you called that particular number and it simply talks, right?
Yes, so that what we have is we have a call center where callers, they have a list of all the alumni, several, maybe 100,000 alumni and contributors worldwide, and they call them, and most of the time they are not available, so they leave them a message. They say, this is the university calling for a contribution. I see that last time you contributed $100. Can you contribute another $100 for this year? Please call me back at this number, 123-456-7890, and I'll be here waiting for your call. And hang up the phone. In the meantime, the caller makes another call to another alumni. And then when the alumni finds the message, or they can also SMS the message, he's busy with another potential donor, so we want the AI to act as an answering machine, to pick up the call and start asking the question to the alumni until one of the people in the call center can come into the call and talk to him directly. And then we want to record the conversation. So in this example that I'm showing you right now, there is a button that is called My Calls. And when I click on this button, My Calls, it opens up another screen and it lists all the calls, the call history. And at the top, there is today's date, which is 09 for September, 17 for the day, the 17th day of September, and then the time that the call started, which was 12:41 p.m. And when I click on it, it opens up a page with a conversation from beginning to end. And now I'm scrolling to the top. But it says, it repeats what I said in writing. It transcribed it. It says, voice to text, hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Just enjoying a little bit of sunshine and thinking about my next yoga class. How about you? How is everything going with your projects? And the next thing is my answer. It's going flat. I wanted to tell you about my project, which is involved. So then she says, oh, I'm all ears. What's the project about? I love to hear your ideas. So I told, according to this, I told her that sounds super interesting. Oh, I told her making a call to an AI chatbot. And then she says, I'm reading from the transcript. That sounds super interesting. Here is a quick summary of your project on building a chatbot. Number 1, environment setup. And she lists the steps. Start by defining your OpenAI API key, search for the environment, and so on. And then I ask her, did you understand it? And she says, absolutely. You are working on building an AI chatbot that can handle voice calls and text interactions, right? It sounds like you are exploring different tools and methods to make it all happen. Is there a specific part you are excited or curious about? And so on. The important thing for you to understand is this becomes public information once we are using it, and we are not sure that we want the donors information to be shared by the developers of this AI chatbot. Do you understand? Because they may not understand that we are sharing their telephone number and their donation, their name, with this company that develops this chatbot. So you want to develop the same thing, but run it on local host. Do you understand what a local host is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, based on what you have told me, I'm pretty sure we can actually complete this because we don't do these sort of custom solutions. Whatever the automations we build is actually run on the software you saw on the video. So we cannot actually build any sort of custom solutions or local hosts, you know. So I think I
What
want
is the difference between what is the difference between what you can do and what I showed you just now?
the thing is what we can do is whatever the things we build will be on the Wikipedia platform. So we don't need to actually
Yeah, it doesn't. The platform doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is the result.
platform. So let me
Because you said it can't be run on local hosts, it has to be running on their platform.
customer details over there. So you mentioned that you don't want to share those details. That's why you mentioned like I think we won't be able to help you.
You told me you want to share.
I don't want to, but if you can do it without it,
What do you mean without me? You can't. They
I
told
don't
you
think
they
so. I think you don't have any options over here.
they don't have that option. It has to run on their software. They can't do local.
so what if it runs on your software and on your server? What's the difference?
The thing is that you will have to use our platform and the customer details will be also stored on our servers as well.
All the customer details.
Fine. So it's the same thing with this application. The customer information is stored on their server, not on our device.
So that, but you're asking them to the other part.
So if we do it on your platform, then what else can you not do?
Sorry, what else?
What can you do if it is on your platform?
Can you do the project if it is on your platform? I'm asking that now. If it is on your platform, can you do the project we're requesting?
Yeah,
If we allow you to
yes, yes.
store the user's information.
Yeah, the thing is that this particular project is very straightforward, and another limitation is that we don't actually allow for the outbound calls as well. So this only works when someone actually calls your specific number, and the AI will handle it. And the calls can be recorded as well, and whatever the calls, so whatever the conversation happening between a particular AI chatbot and a particular user, those will be actually transcribed and you can easily track through the inbox as well. And for those users,
can
you
be
can
outbound
manually
calls,
send
this can be
SMS, those kind of
inbound
things are actually possible. Yeah, those kind of things.
So it
Yes, just a minute. I don't want it to make outbound call. I just showed you what this application does. The outbound calls we don't need to do because the outbound calls are done with software that we have already. In other words, the university has the list of all those donors already on the computer, and there is a program that makes the outbound call. The problem is, after making the outbound call and nobody picks up the phone, we leave a message, and then I want to deal exclusively with the inbound calls. When the inbound calls comes and the operator is busy, we don't want the donor to hang up. So we want to have the donor talk a few minutes with the chatbot and tell us whether he wants to donate or not. And hopefully, when we hear it, it will take a few seconds before an operator can intervene and start talking to him. So what I just showed you a demonstration of how it works. What we want is only, it's like an answering machine. Do you understand what an answering machine is? All it can do is only inbound calls.
that's what we want.
Yeah.
That's what we want. So don't worry about the outbound call. I just wanted to show it to you so that you understand this product and you can run it on your own and you can see what happens when an inbound call comes it works the same way. We don't want you to do the outbound call. We want to do only the inbound call.
Yeah, got it. The thing is that for the inbound calls also, you will need to get a number from Twilio. So
Okay.
Yes, that's no problem. We are going to get the number from Twilio
Right.
or one of the other code-based phone numbers, and we will give you the number.
we only support Twilio.
He only supports.
Fine.
We only support Twilio.
Okay. He only supports
It said in the video that you support Twilio and then
Twilio.
Twilio and another phone code or some other name. Doesn't matter. For us, it doesn't matter. Twilio or anybody else doesn't matter. Whatever you support, we will give you a number like that, and then just do the inbound calls. In addition to that, we are also teaching classes at the university. So we want to teach the students a platform where they can create an AI answering machine just for inbound calls. So we want to use it also for a classroom example and have start with about 100 students and see if your servers will crash or if they can handle it or not, and make a workbook so we can teach it in the class and the students can try to follow the video that your company put on YouTube and do the same thing as a class project.
Yeah, got it. So what happens is that when they call that particular number, the AI will actually handle that one, and there's also another possibility to transfer that particular call to a different phone number as well.
That's right. So what happens in the call center? The people in the call center make an outbound to the caller, and 99% of the time the caller doesn't respond. So they leave a message, and usually the operators works about a few hours a day. So then when the caller comes in, he says, "I'm a contributor, Joe Schmo. You just called me and you asked for a contribution, and I want to contribute money to the university. Please let me know what I need to do." So we want to monitor or screen the calls, and when we hear that he wants to contribute, transfer the call to one of the operators, either the one that called him and he left already the number and he can answer, or transfer it to another person that is sitting in the call center. Each one of them has a different phone number or different extension, and talk to him and help him donate the money.
Yeah, got it. So whatever the requirements you shared actually possible using our platform.
Yes.
The platform doesn't matter to us.
He says that they'll use only their
Yeah,
platform.
use your platform, it's fine.
Fine, just say yes.
What we want to teach them is about the concept. And then later on, when they go to get a job, they can use your platform or another platform, but chances are, if they're familiar with your platform and your platform actually works, they would use that platform because they're already familiar with it. And also another thing is, if you have somebody that is knowledgeable, we would like to host you on Zoom as a guest speaker to tell about your company and what you just told me now.
Because we're professors at the university and we give seminars to businesses about technology.
Oh, I see. So I will actually talk with the team and
Talk to the team and they can come in. We teach in the afternoon at Monday and Wednesday from 3 o'clock.
From 3 to about 7
But what time?
East Coast time.
Yeah, you're probably in Indian time, but how many hours are you different than East Coast?
I think around like 11 or 12 hours.
Okay, so,
But our team actually work during the US business hours.
oh, okay, all right,
Oh, so
so
3 o'clock is it?
3:30 would not be so bad. Or
Yeah.
even we have some at 6:30 or 7 o'clock at night, so it may be at least it'll be in the morning with you, won't be in the middle of the night.
We have multiple sessions, and like we wrote to you in the email, we also make presentation to professional associations. Like there's going to be a conference in Miami that is called IT Expo. So that IT Expo conference is for IT professionals around the world, and people are coming from all over the world, either physically or logging into the stream, to the live stream, and
Hybrid.
we're presenting the same thing. This is also how we teach. We teach
Online. So my teaching is online as well. So you can come in like 7 o'clock in the evening, which is 7 maybe in your time in the morning. And then what we have too in the past, what I've done is with some companies, we have what we call an academic relationship, partnership. So what we have is the students then use the company's product for the semester to use as a project, and then you folks can get feedback. Plus, those students then are familiar with your project. For instance, this semester, we're doing it with a company called Fastbot, Fastbot. It's a British company, and it basically creates a chatbot. And so they're coming in, their founder, and giving a short lecture, and then he basically even took the University of Miami's website and created a demo of how a chatbot could be used. So basically students could ask, where do I pick up a parking pass? Or how do I register to a class? And he found all that information on the website. Also Wix, WIX, also we have an academic partnership where the students get a premium version for the semester with a free domain name, and they're able to do it. As a matter of fact, they're having a partner summit next month, and I'm going to be presenting there my project, our own projects plus the student projects.
Another example is a personal AI.
Personal.ai also was a way in which basically you create a clone of yourself. And they came in and did a presentation and gave the students access to the product. And the students made it as if they were going to be doing an interview for recruiting. So they would ask the AI, somebody could ask them their digital AI, tell me about you, tell me about your interests, tell me what type of job you want, where do you see yourself in 5 years? And the students basically did the program and recorded it and submitted it as a homework project, and the company got feedback from the students about their product, what they liked, what was difficult for them. So these are a number of companies we've gotten worldwide to, since we have a hybrid class and our sessions are online.
All right.
So you can tell your folks there where you can fit in. We were very impressed, let me just let you know, we were very impressed by your demos. It looked a little bit similar to what Google used to do. I think they called it Duet or something like that, where they used to call a salon and reservations for restaurants and things like that.
Yeah, those kind of things are interesting as well.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay.
Yeah, another thing is that this university also has different kind of businesses, like they have a hotel and they have a hospital. So we can take the example that you already made for a reservation somewhere. I think it was hotel that you had on YouTube.
Yeah.
And use it for the university, for the hospital, or for one of the other facilities to schedule an appointment.
Yeah, like for patients, patient information, I need to schedule for scheduling, something like that. So there are a lot of opportunities. We just wanted to give you one to see how it would work out.
Do you know what you understand what an answering machine is? It used to be a tape that you connected to the telephone number, so when you don't answer the phone,
Your phone has voice email too.
yeah, right. Now you can get a Google Voice and get a transcript of somebody that leaves a message, and you get a voice recording plus it converts it to text.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess whoever you want, the agent to jump in, exactly. And what is the next step for your folks maybe to give a talk to like even a 20-minute talk or something? Maybe we can do another meet with some of you, those people, and do some type of like at least they can come in and give a talk. And the other thing is to consider doing some kind of academic relationship.
I send you also a transcript of our conversation so you will have it in writing and you can give it to somebody. If you check your email, you'll see the transcript that I sent to you.
Yeah, okay.
And I didn't want to make it too big, so you may not have the colors and other things. If you want a Word document, so you get all the colors and other things, I can copy and paste it into Word and then send you a copy of Word.
Are you recording this conversation?
No, actually, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
But I can.
So you can use my transcript that I sent to you.
You can use it for part of it.
Can you check your email to see if you can find anything?
Where did you send it?
Yeah, I can see it. I checked it. And
Yeah, you got it. Okay.
Would you like to get one in color, or this is good enough?
Yeah, this is good enough.
Good enough. Okay. So why don't you reach out to us? Maybe the first step is that they can come in. We can talk to someone that wants to give a presentation, and then they can see about the type of partnerships that I have had in the past. And
Basically the same presentation that he gave on YouTube. Remember that he gave an example of a hotel or some other
yeah, just show what you've
they have
done.
scheduling.
That example of
Something like that.
Just
that people that,
an example, that will be.
I don't want you to spend a lot of time. Everybody is busy, so I want you to redo something, or even if you do something different that you can reuse. We're all very busy,
yeah, right. Sure.
So something, and we record it and we also send it out to YouTube Live, so we can give you after his presentation. After his presentation, we can give you the link. So you can even, if you want, you can take it and you're free to use it. And you can put it as, speaking at the University of Miami, giving you credibility.
Yeah, that sounds good.
You don't understand? Because that's the problem with all these companies. Even if they're very good, the problem is that people don't know about them. When you're small companies.
So the next step would be actually pass this call information to the team, and
Right.
most probably we will have some presentation.
Yeah, and then they can first contact me and they can talk to me first. You know what I mean? They just may not want to just come in, but talk about what do we want to talk about. You know what I
We
mean?
can practice and
Or even just discuss it. You know what I mean? I think before somebody comes in, let's do a discussion,
Yeah, sure.
to see if it's useful. You know what I mean? And to make it useful to basically modify it that it's useful for both sides.
Yeah.
That it's useful for you and it's useful for me. That it promotes both of us.
Yeah, that's good actually.
You know what I mean? I don't want to waste their time and I don't want to waste my time. We're all busy.
Yeah. Yeah, I completely understand this one. So we will actually get in touch with via the email. So I have.
Yeah, via email. You have my email address.
Yeah, I have your email.
So they can get in touch with me.
Sorry.
They can get in touch with me via email and then we can set up a time to chat.
Yeah, sure.
Okay?
All right. So let's wind up this call for now.
Yes, we will. We extended it. Okay, great.
let me also I send you also some URL.
I'll just shit the URL is there. I need the what's. Okay, we'll talk to you later.
Yeah, sure.
If you want to see an example, I can send you later a URL that you can see samples of what we are doing.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Sure.
Okay,
That's all.
thank you.
Okay, bye. Have a good
Bye
Bye
bye.
now.
Bye bye. All right. I have another meeting, so I'm going to end my Zoom call. Is there anything else you want to comment on?
I don't know why. What did I do that we don't top? Oh, I forgot.
Forgot to put a certain link.
Yeah, what did I forget?
What did you forget?
360, 4K. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. 360, 4K.
Where are you?
In the classroom, I wanted him to see the classroom.
Yeah.
And when I put it in now,
Can you even see it?
we're no longer number one, which is interesting. I don't even show up at all. So I forgot what is what were my keywords.
Yes.
360.
Later on you'll do it. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording.
Why did it change like this?
I don't know.
Wow.
Okay, I'm going to stop and then you can continue, right?
Okay, that's why.
Why?
I don't believe that
Lost.
it changed all of a sudden. Yeah, managed to take us out of there. I guess once they scan it and they find what you are doing, they change the algorithm, you know.
Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop recording. Stop in MSN. You have the loom on your end, right? And you have your recordings.
It's amazing how they stopped our stopping the internet. Putting double quotes.
In the meeting.
Okay. Amazing that it doesn't work anymore. Wonder why. Keep changing the algorithm, I guess. Depends on the browser too.
What browser are we using?
Design.
Incredible.
I haven't used it for quite some
And
time
with your
now.
home, auto, boat, and RV all bundled with Progressive, you're free to just enjoy this beautiful view.
Almost makes everything else.
It took us completely off. Wow. Impressive. I guess they added the period, the time period.
Yeah,
That's
5
right.
years.
Our recent one are still on the top.
See? Yeah. So they must have taken out the 5 year.
Yeah, 4 days ago.
Yeah.
5 days
See,
ago.
see. Yeah. So they took out the years 5 years ago.
Yeah, so they took out old stuff.
Old
That is
stuff.
easy to do.
Yeah.
If it is too outdated, take it out. I
Right.
mean, don't take it out, but don't put it at the top.
But don't put it in, but don't put it there.
So this is why you have to keep doing it.
That's why they keep on. They want people to be still there. You understand?
Yeah.
Like your Villa Capri is there.
Yeah. It's good to know.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what they're doing.
It's the 5 years.
They
You see
want to
yourself?
Yeah, they want to compete with
TikTok.
TikTok. Yeah.
Short clips.
See, this is this
Yeah, yeah.
manager or
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
is the
yeah.
realtor. Why didn't you want me to share it with them?
Because I thought you were going to share things like you were in the yard and stuff like that.
What does it matter?
Because I wanted that they think it's something professional. That doesn't look like
Oh,
people in the yard. That it looks like at the university. You know?
yeah.
They want a, they don't want to look like somebody's just doing stuff on their own. You understand?
All right.
So we spent 45 minutes with them. As soon as you start quizzing them,
You can see that Brillante is not.
they want to finish the call.
It
They-
doesn't matter. Finish, doesn't finish. It doesn't
Okay.
understand. You're like you. Talk to the wall a million times. And would it make any difference? No.
They
It's
give
just
him.
when you
He
don't
has his
understand, you
Gmail.
don't
He works
understand.
from home. He doesn't know.
Well, who cares where he works?
No, but they give like it's low level kind of
Low,
job.
small. You don't
He
understand.
can speak English. That's what they give him. Can you speak
Right.
English? Yes.
Okay. Let me finish with all of these. I didn't want you to disconnect, but you don't listen to anything I do or say. Might as well talk to the wall.
Can you unplug it? So what was happening before? It was in the wrong docket.
I don't know what is before.
When my computer went down, you put it in the wrong socket or something.
No, that socket doesn't provide. It's split over so many
Okay.
different
Can you
things
unplug it for me?
that it doesn't provide that much power. So what I did is I went over there, closer to the power supply.
Too many daisy chains.
Algorand, co-al. Co-al. Algorand. And now I want to upload it. Folder upload. X space and enter. And upload and upload. Now it says out of 5. Here I can say an X and space and enter and 5. And file, save. Then I can edit as a comment too. And refresh it. And save it. That will be F. And the time now is 1:29. 29. $1:12 and add a comment and paste. Now I want to go back to the email and see if I can find the inbox. Will expire in 30. Take the next one. Copy it. Delete. Go to my notepad. Create a new section. At the very top, I'm going to open up in a little space and start with open brackets, paste, edit, paste the message, and some close brackets, and then try to log into one demo lab net. Now I want to open the browser that I'm using here. Now I want to change from that browser to another account. another account, paste the account, and next, and then enter. Not now. Open my notepad. In my notepad here. Edit paste.
Hello, this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon. this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
Now I want to upload it to Drive. Folder, paste the folder, and remove everything but the folder. Keep only the folder there. And another tab. And it doesn't matter how many times I press this, but it doesn't matter. So plus, folder, paste, remove everything. Even the damn thing. For 255. Okay. 255 enter. And then file, save as. Get out of Google Voice. Open up document. Document. And we want to go to xstrategy.trade. I want to go up to X. Strategy.trade. And save it there. Save. Folder upload. Paste the folder name and remove everything but the folder. I want to delete everything but the folder. Then upload, and then keep both, and upload again. Now it says of 3, so there'll be 3 here. File save. I'm getting too tired, so I'm going to quit now. While I'm still ahead. So now I'm going to make folder for the media. And we actually for that it should really take the other folder probably. I'll go to the top. Actually, what should I do? Not good enough. I can close this door. Copy to the keyboard buffer. Make a folder of it. Video. Galaxy. My camera. Record video. Black. I don't think I did anything with black. Go purple. No. Folder. Copy. HMT red. Paste. Explorer. And iView. Paste. Explore. That's it. I'm too tired. That's it. And that's non-stop.